Well, they don't have any problem getting in and out of it.
Nope. What you think, girls? You like it?
Hey Gagne gang, welcome back to Gagne Farms. I'm Eric and this is Candace, and today we're going to be installing our ladies' first chicken door. Hey guys, I just want to say this isn't a sponsored video by Ladies First Chicken Door. This is just a chicken door that we purchased, and we're going to show you how to install it. Alright, let's open her up and see what we got inside. So we got some batteries, some zip ties, our solar panel, and looks like our chicken door. It's all nice and wrapped in some foam too. That's pretty good packaging. And some instructions. Looks really simple. So we got our instructions here. We don't need those. All we really got to do here now is go screw this bad boy on that coop. First thing we got to do is cut a hole in the side of the coop. So we're going to go measure out a hole and cut. Okay, chicky chicks.
And we measure.
Basically all we did here, we just mark out a spot that's 10.5 inches wide by a foot tall. And we're just going to cut this out. I'm going to drill a hole in each corner so I can get my Sawzall blade in there. Okay, Sawzall time. Alright, we got the old trusty Sawzall out here and we're gonna cut this opening. Maybe. There we go.
It's a hole.
Oh, I think we just screw it on, don't you think?
Yep. Chicken door casualty.
That was from the chicken, not the door. Holy moly. They're very curious about this door. So basically I screwed up. I put, where I cut my hole, it was too close to my window jamb. All I gotta do is get a couple wires through this hole right here. I think I'm gonna be all right. So I just put it up there and I put 2 screws in just to see if I can reroute the wiring to it. So as long as I get the wires in, should be good. Well, it says mount the switch somewhere that doesn't get wet. We're outside in Michigan. Everything gets wet.
What's the switch do?
In case it doesn't open automatically or something, there's a switch here. There's also a switch on the inside, so there's like 3 different ways you can open it. Alright, we're going to mount our solar panel here. We're kind of in the woods, so I'm just going to try this. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to have it pointing to the south. We'll see what happens. If I have to move this or something, we can move it. It's one little screw. It says to angle it up. So try that. Alright, now we just gotta plug this guy in.
So what you putting in now?
Batteries. Yeah, we're just putting the batteries in here quick. Whoa. There's a little switch right here. Just a little limit switch that this is gonna, they've made this with a paper clip. Come here, look at this. That's a paper clip. It's gonna go up and hit this limit switch right here and shut off.
High tech.
Well, it's kind of nice because that's the whole, this thing is so simple that, like, I kind of like it being that simple. Like, if anything happened, I could just put a paper clip on it and make it work. So
You could fix it.
perfect. That's like something I would make right there.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay, so we didn't put the manual switch on yet. It's kind of open. I don't know if I have to build a little box for it or something. I'm afraid it's going to get wet. I don't want that to happen. So they provide you with this handy dandy nail here, and so the nail just goes in like that, holds this whole puppy together. Now if we had the switch hooked up, we could open and shut the door, but alright, so what do we want to do here? I want to tie up some of these cables. They do provide some zip ties and some little wire holders here, so we're going to use a couple of these quick. When it closes, it'll go all the way down. It hits a switch on the circuit board here, and it opens it back up just a little bit in case there's like a chicken's foot is in there, and then it goes back down and shuts. It gives them a minute to get their foot out of the way. Hopefully that doesn't happen. We'll just have it set a little bit later. They'll all be roosted. I don't think they'll be just sitting right here. So usually when it's dark out, they roost up pretty good. So I think for the first night, we'll just leave it at the factory settings and see, you know, with the dusk till dawn, if that's late enough for them. I don't know what time it'll close. So, and you can adjust it. There's a setting in here where you can set it for delayed amount of time. So if you want it dusk plus 15 minutes or something, you just wait till that time. You go in here and hit a button, and it hits a set, and it's that. It's not that time; it's that light intensity. So you probably want to do it on a sunny day or a clear day. So that would be your worst case scenario. On a cloudy day, if you set it, it might shut early on a sunny day. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Let's see if they work on that one or not. Well, they don't have any problem getting in and out of it.
Nope. What you think, girls? You like it?
So that's it, guys. We got the door installed. I think they're loving it right now. A couple quick thoughts. It was really easy to install it. Really, it probably took me about 15 minutes to install this whole door. We just had to cut that opening in, and 4 screws. The whole unit is all combined, and you don't have to put anything together, so that was really nice. So yeah, first impressions, it was quite an easy install. I like it, so we're gonna give it a shot tonight, see if it closes when it should, and if the chickens are all in when they're supposed to be, and we'll give her a shot in the morning and see when she opens up too. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like this video and you want to see more of them, you know, let me know in the comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up. Yeah, give me a good thumbs up on this one. Real quick, easy, nice install of this chicken door. Thanks again, guys.